For the sake of air quality and to keep your HVAC ductwork clean, you should install a home furnace filter. The filter can capture dust, dirt, pollen, and dander particles that would otherwise flow through your HVAC system and circulate in the air inside your home. With the exception of permanent filter furnaces, you need to replace the filter regularly. Michael Rubino, a mold and air quality expert and founder of the nonprofit organization HomeCleanse, points out that factors such as the home's location, the age of the HVAC system, and the state of the air quality can influence how often air filters need to be replaced. Number 1. Honeywell Home Pleated Air Filter. It can be hard to remember to regularly change your air filter as part of routine home maintenance. If that describes your situation, consider a long-lasting furnace filter. While most air filters should be replaced at least every 90 days, the Honeywell Home 4-inch pleated air filter lasts up to 12 months. It pairs this long life with a MERV 8 filter rating, meaning it is designed to be effective against particles that are 3 to 10 microns in size. You may notice that this furnace filter is significantly thicker than 90-day furnace filters. The extra depth is filled with pleated filter media to maximize the surface area available for capturing contaminants. This is an electrostatic filter, so the charge helps to draw in particles such as dust mites, mold, and smoke. Because of this furnace filter's 4-inch depth, you need to make sure it fits into your HVAC's filter opening. Number 2. AIRx Air Beast. Be effective. An air filter needs to be efficient at capturing airborne particles without overly restricting airflow to your HVAC unit. Rubino points out that every HVAC system is different. Before purchasing a filter, it's important to check with the manufacturer to see the highest rated filter the particular system can handle, and then purchase that option. The AIRx Air Beast is our recommendation if you're looking for a filter to trap many of the most common contaminants without straining most HVAC units, which can lead to the need to replace the furnace. It has MERV 11 filtration and a rated velocity of 295 feet per minute, FPM, which is within range of the maximum recommended 300 FPM for air filters. 3. The AIRx Air Beast has pleated synthetic filter media. This translates into more surface area to collect particles such as dust, smoke, mold, and dander when compared with furnace filters with flat filter surfaces. This filter is also electrostatically charged, which assists in drawing these contaminants into the filter and trapping them there. Number 3. Filtrete Advanced Allergen Reduction Air Filter. Regularly replacing your AC filter with a high-quality option is a key strategy for reducing the number of allergens in your home's air supply. We recommend that allergy sufferers pick an air filter with a minimum MERV 9 rating, which places the filter in the superior residential category. According to SHRA Standards. 2, there are many options for air filters that meet or exceed these filtration requirements. The Filtrete Advanced Allergen Reduction Air Filter is a popular choice. This option has been certified as asthma and allergy friendly by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, AFA. To earn the certification, products must be proven to capture common household triggers like cat allergen, dust mite allergen, pollen, and general small particles. The Filtrete Advanced Allergen Reduction Air Filter also has a 3M proprietary 1500 MPR rating, which the manufacturer says compares to MERV 12. This is well above the MERV 9 threshold that is commonly recommended for air filters to trap allergens. Depending on your home's air quality, you may find it necessary to change the filter more often than the Filtrete recommended 90-day replacement schedule. Number 4. Filtrete Dust, Pollen, and Pet Dander Air Filter. The Filtrete Dust, Pollen, and Pet Dander Air Filter is designed to capture most common contaminants in your home's air supply and carries an MPR 700 rating. MPR is a proprietary rating system of 3M Company, the parent company of Filtrete. According to 3M, that means it is designed to capture dust, mold, and pollen, and it may be effective in capturing pet dander and smoke. The product balances performance and affordability, making it a good choice for most households. Its electrostatically charged filter attracts and holds particles to the filter media, increasing its effectiveness. This filter has a MERV 8 rating, meaning it is also designed to capture mold spores, dust mite debris, and lint. However, it isn't equipped to capture very fine particles or aerosols such as smoke, droplets from a sneeze or cough, or viruses and bacteria. Still, it meets more than the bare minimum of filtration requirements and should reduce the airborne particulates that are most likely to cause visible dust or trigger common allergies. Number 5. Filtrete Basic Dust Clean Living Filter. You can save on furnace maintenance without cutting corners when you buy affordable but effective furnace filters. You should consider an air filter with a MERV 5 rating at a minimum, but there's no reason to overspend if you don't have allergies or specialized air filtration needs. The Filtrete Basic Dust Air Filter is an economical choice that uses electrostatically charged filter media to capture lint, dust mite debris, and household dust. It has an MPR rating of 300, which is considered a sufficient base level when shopping for residential air filters. Changing the filter every 90 days can reduce the amount of dust and small debris circulating through your home's HVAC system. However, this filter may not be effective enough if you're specifically targeting mold spores or allergens such as pet dander and pollen. Another reason to consider this affordable furnace filter is its reduced resistance and strain on your HVAC system. Some filters with a higher MERV rating have thicker, more tightly woven filter material to trap fine particles. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.